Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch 2 on iPhone. While Overwatch 2 is designed for larger screens, you can absolutely enjoy it on your mobile device. This is primarily achieved through cloud gaming platforms or by using remote play applications. These methods stream the game directly to your phone, offering a flexible way to play. A strong, reliable internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi, is crucial for the best experience. Cloud gaming services are a fantastic way to bring Overwatch 2 to your iPhone. Platforms like Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now host the game on their powerful servers, streaming the video directly to your device. This means your phone doesn't need to run the game itself. You'll typically need a subscription and a good Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, for precise control and an immersive experience. Another excellent method is remote play, which lets your iPhone act as a screen for your home gaming system. Apps such as Steam Link, PS Remote Play, or Xbox Remote Play allow you to stream Overwatch 2 from your PC or console. Ensure your gaming device is on, connected to the internet, and ideally on the same local network as your iPhone for minimal latency. This setup gives you direct access to your own game library. To truly enhance your Overwatch 2 experience on iPhone, several steps are key. Always prioritize a fast, stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection to minimize lag. A dedicated Bluetooth controller is almost essential for competitive play, offering far greater precision than touch controls. Close any unnecessary background applications on your iPhone to ensure maximum performance. Finally, a phone clip for your controller can greatly improve comfort during longer play sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.